These days, Muslims all over the world are fasting. But fasting in itself is a practice which dates back centuries and holds a central role in most of the religions and cultures of the world. So, what exactly is fasting? It is the abstinence from food and water for a certain period of time, normally between 12 to 24 hours, and may be extended up to 72 hours. For Muslims, we fast from the break of dawn till sunset. And according to medical science, these are the best timings to have the maximum effects of beneficial effects of fasting. Along with this, it is a process of complete mental training in which we have to abstain from exhibiting negative behaviors, from falling prey to our desires, and therefore it is a complete process which teaches us self-discipline, self-control, patience, and therefore makes us more empathetic towards other people, their needs, and therefore we are ready to help them out in whatever way we can. I am Dr. Marium Ateeq, and let us talk about the medical benefits of fasting. I'm going to tell you 8 or 9 main benefits which can make you understand what you are actually doing when you are fasting. It helps to lower the weight of the body. It does so by decreasing the calorie intake because we are not eating for so many hours, and by increasing the metabolism of the body. People who have fasted for 12 to 24 months have seen about 9% decrease in their fat deposits, because as the blood glucose levels become lower after 6 to 8 hours of fasting, then there is an increase in the glucagon levels that are secreted by the pancreas, which helps to mobilize the fat deposits from liver. Glycogen is stored in the liver. It is mobilized from there to break down and to provide energy for the body to function. Therefore, in the long run, it helps to reduce the fat and therefore the weight of the body. Then it helps reduce the blood sugar and therefore decreases the risk of diabetes. It does so by increasing the sensitivity towards insulin and by decreasing insulin resistance. Therefore, cells can readily take up the available glucose and from the bloodstream and use it for getting energy. Then it decreases the inflammation process of the body. People who have seen to observe fasts for 12 hours for 1 full month have seen to have reduced markers of inflammation, and these can lead to decreased risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, such as heart diseases, and such as arthritis. Then it decreases the risk of heart diseases and increases the health of the heart by lowering down the cholesterol levels, the triglyceride levels, and by reducing the blood pressure. And we know that heart disease is the leading cause of death all over the world. It accounts for nearly 31.5% deaths overall. So this risk is reduced. Alternate fasting is also very good for it. Even other than the month of Ramzan, people can observe fasts either few days a week or few days in a month. It will be very, very beneficial. Then, fasting increases the human growth hormone, and as the name suggests, it helps in growth and development, increases the metabolism, increases muscle strength, and therefore it helps in weight loss also. So, it is seen that just 2 days of fasting can increase the human growth hormone by 5%. Then fasting improves the brain functions. It improves the cognitive functions of the body. There is increased ability to learn, to understand, to comprehend, to function, to give logical answers, to have the understanding of things. It does so by the generation of new nerve cells. Then along with that, it has seen to decrease the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Then all these processes of the body, when they are functioning properly, the body will be in less stress, and therefore there will be an improvement in the sleep pattern. You will fall asleep more soundly. Then fasting has seen to trigger the process of autophagy. This is a process in which there is cellular renewal all over the body. The damaged cells, the dysfunctional cells, they are eliminated by the body. They are eaten up by the body so that the healthy cells remain. And this can block the formation of tumor cells, and therefore in the overall it can reduce the development of certain kinds of cancers. Then fasting has seen to increase longevity. By this, we mean that there is an increased life expectancy. People live to more longer years who observe fasts. It does so most probably by increasing the healthy gut bacteria and by increasing different kinds of proteins such as cereulin, which also help in metabolism and are related to longevity. So, just keep on counting the benefits of fasting and observe fasts with full zeal, with full passion, and go through the month happily and peacefully and have complete benefits of mental health, of having mental health, physical health, and spiritual health. There are different types of fasts which can be observed all through the year. I'm not talking about the religious ones, but the ones which can be done by anyone and everyone. They are especially a fad in improving the lifestyle and reducing weight these days. So next time, inshallah, we can deal with them separately. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.